Okay, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Let's get right to the video. Quick little testing of this USDX QRP HF transceiver I just picked up. I recently did an unboxing. Now I want to do a little bit of testing. Maybe receive, maybe transmit. Let's see how far we get. Now to comparison, listen, I've got the Kenwood D74A. I've got it plugged into my Diamond SRH999, great little antenna. So right now we're picking up traffic on the 20-meter band, 14.261 megahertz, and it's the Florida QSO party. In progress.
Yeah, I'll try to stick with it. I didn't operate much. Hope everybody got the Yaesu fixed up. QRZ W4A.
Whiskey 4A in Orange County. Got it hooked up to my Rapthor, the BP005, the Rapthor. I'm going to do some links on all of these if you're interested on Amazon. And this transceiver is hooked up to the loop antenna that I did a video on, the ZFGL, and I'll give you a quick look. Okay, there is the ZFGL loop antenna, 30-watt output, and it's 40 through 10 meter. So that's what's hooked up, BNC, and a thin cable going into the transceiver. Okay, let's commence the testing. Right now the radio's off. I'm listening to Whiskey 4 Alpha. Kind of know where this test is going to go because I've already kind of did it, and didn't fare well. So let's break it down. We're listening to him direct on the D74. The radio is off. I'm going to turn on the Rapthor, and you're going to see what's going on. Notice the signal bar. Turning it on. Radio is now on. You can hear the audio kicking in, and you can somewhat hear Whiskey 4 Alpha. But it is kind of low. The loop antenna is very good on receive, so I know right off the bat there's a problem with receive on this one. Barely hear him. You heard him better on the D74. This is the issue. Look at that signal bar. S9 noise has taken out the D74. Don't even have the mic plugged in. Not transmitting. This one is a dirty boy. Now that's the issue with some of these radios. The Chinese clone knockoffs. Some of them are good, some of them are not good. Some of them are usable, and some are not. So he's a dirty boy, because I'll show you. I'm going to turn off the transceiver and watch the signal.
W4 Alpha.
Picking them up.
Whiskey 2 Hotel.
Taking them right out. Turning it on.
Hotel Delta India.
Turning it off. And
Roger, 5-6 band at Juliet India Victor, corrected. Thanks for the QS impression to work with. Bye-bye, band, thank you. 73 Sierra 51 Delta Express.
Whiskey India 2 Mike. Okay, we're going to duplicate the test. We have the Kenwood D74A. We're listening to Norway 4 Tango, 14.248. We're listening, we got the Rapthor. We got the same Diamond SRH. And we also got Yaesu FT817, the OG in the game. This is a high quality QRP radio, 817, 818. Right now it's off. It's also plugged into the same loop antenna we had with the USDX. We're going to see if we get the same result.
Echo 1, I guess Echo Romeo 598.
Signal bar is very low. It's off.
Okay, Alpha 1 Alpha radio 598.
Wait for him to speak.
Lake County in Florida. Cool, what's your state?
Gonna turn it on.
Thanks for CT 73, November 4 Tango.
There you go.
Jumping Japan.
Picking it up great on the loop antenna.
CQ Florida Kilo Party, November 4 Tango.
You can also hear it simultaneously on the
CQ
Kenwood.
SQP, November 4 Tango, Norway 4 Tango.
No interference, no RF.
CQ SQP, November 4 Tango, Norway 4 Tango.
Probably coming from a local oscillator.
Kilo Peter Papa Romeo 59 Lake.
And there's the setup.
Thanks for
I'll turn off the Kenwood.
November 4 Tango. CQ Florida Kilo Party, November 4 Tango.
Whiskey India 2 Mike.
Florida Kilo Party, November 4 Tango, Norway 4 Tango.
Whiskey India 2 Mike.
CQ Florida Kilo Party, November 4 Tango, Norway 4 Tango. CQ Kilo Alpha 0, India Bravo Foxtrot, 59 Lake. Thanks for Indiana 73, November, hold on, that's not IA, it's IN, okay, November. W4 Alpha. KH Romeo Golf India.
Okay, turned it back on. There's the S9 noise floor. Now you're hearing Whiskey 4 Alpha on the receiver, on the transceiver. So, this is the test. We're just going to unplug it from the Raptor, and the Raptor is still on. Receives kicked back in, and you can see the solar charger still working. So it's not the Raptor. The Raptor is good. The loop antenna is good. This receiver on the D74A is good. This is the dirty boy right here. Quick video. These radios are still great. It's just they're hit or miss out of the factory. And this one has some issues right now. We're going to keep testing it. That's just the preliminary test. Comment below and tell me what you think of this radio, obviously this radio, this charger, and the loop antenna. But mainly, in particular, this little dirty boy right here. Comment below, like, and subscribe for future videos of Ham Radio on the Go. Thanks for watching, everyone, and 7-3.